Welcome to what is Oracle Hyperion Financial Reporting. Oracle Hyperion Financial Reporting is a robust module primarily utilized for designing and presenting highly formatted financial and operating reports against OLAP, planning, and HFM sources. Financial reporting can be used to design traditional financial reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash management reports, or custom analytic and financial reports that include graphics and text. Books and batches of reports can be created and scheduled for distribution to end users. The outputs of financial reporting are reports, snapshots, and books. Reports are defined by report designers and retrieve the most current information from the database. A snapshot report is a report that has been previously run and then saved, retaining the values on the report as of that point in time. Subsequent data changes will not affect a previously saved snapshot. Books are a collection of reports and/or snapshots, and batches can be created to run books and reports simultaneously. You can design reports to retrieve data from the following data sources: financial management, Essbase, planning, and SAP BW. You can query multiple sources within a single report using a separate grid or the same grid by creating subtotals across data sources. When creating a report, the process is essentially the same for all data sources. Depending on the database connection, certain functionality may or may not be available. The two interfaces for financial reporting are Financial Reporting Studio and Workspace. All report development is executed in FRS or Financial Reporting Studio. Financial Reporting Studio requires client installation and is the tool used to create and edit reports. Additionally, reports can be run, printed, and print previewed or web previewed in Financial Reporting Studio. After logging into FRS, the Studio Explorer page is displayed. Here you can perform the following tasks: create a new report, open an existing report, access the Reporting Studio repository, and view report server information. To navigate within Financial Reporting Studio, utilize menu items or right-click shortcut keys. The repository stores financial reporting objects like reports, snapshots, grids, charts, text and image objects, and row and column templates. The folder structure makes it easy to locate and manage objects saved to the repository. Reports are built and edited in the Report Designer. The object-oriented graphical report format makes report design simple. The following components can be used when developing reports in the Report Designer: grids, charts, images, text boxes, headers, and footers. The most important component of the Report Designer are grids. Grids determine how the data will be displayed from the specified database connection. Grids consist of the following: rows are presented down the page, columns are presented across the page. Both rows and columns can contain data, text, or formulas, and can be individually formatted as desired. Pages are the third intersecting reference on a grid report object. The page repeats the data specified in the row and columns over multiple members of the specified additional dimension. It essentially functions like page breaks. Members defined on the page can be used to show different views of the data without rerunning the report. Prompts are variables that ask the end user to select a member when the report is run. The dimension and default values are set during the design of the report. The report designer sets which dimensions will be prompted at runtime and which members will be presented as possible selections. User point of view enables report viewers to change member selected for the dimensions on the user POV bar. Text objects are objects where you can enter text and other information that doesn't exist in an analytic services database. The most common use is for headers and footers. There are a number of functions that make placing information into text objects much easier. Charts allow for data representation in a graphical format. Standard graph types are available, including pie, bar, line, and combo charts. Each chart is based on data stored in a grid. Images are typically used for company logos or anything that can be captured in a compatible image. The second interface of financial reporting is the EPM Workspace. The EPM Workspace is the thin client that offers further capabilities when designing reports. To navigate within the workspace, utilize available menu items via the Explore module. From the workspace, you can perform the following financial reporting tasks: open and view report documents, print, export documents to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, open, copy, move, delete, import or export reporting objects, create books and batches, schedule batches, set preferences, manage database connections, and include commentary or annotations. EPM Workspace also provides functionality to work with books and batches of reports. Report books are a method for grouping reports for periodic reporting. Use the book editor to create a book of reports. This is where the reports are selected and the POV is set for the reports. Batches allow books and reports to be run simultaneously. Use the batch editor to add or remove objects to a batch job and schedule a batch. If reports included in a batch have prompts, the prompts must be answered when the batch is created. Batches can be executed manually or scheduled. Scheduling batches makes report creation and distribution automatic. Use the scheduler to schedule a batch and view the status of batches that are scheduled for processing. The SmartView add-in provides integration with Microsoft Office for HFM, Hyperion Planning, Web Analysis, Financial Reporting, and Interactive Reporting. It enables end users to combine Hyperion information with non-Hyperion information. Additional Microsoft integration allows you to import report images from financial reporting into Word or PowerPoint. You can also import report grids from financial reporting into Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. This allows for images, grids, and data values to be refreshed at the simple click of a button. Mobile support for financial reporting enables you to view and interact with FR reports and books on mobile devices. Currently, Apple and Android products can utilize this functionality. No application download is needed as it utilizes the device's default web browser and is accessible via a new set of JSP files. The mobile interface is simple and end-user friendly.